Good morning, class. I hope you all are well and doing well also in your studies. So be happy every day and do your study nicely. Okay. So today we'll start chapter 11, transportation in animals and plants. Okay, in this chapter you can learn about what is the transportation in animals and in plants. Okay, and circulatory systems, blood vessels, structure of heart and function of heart. Okay, so many contents are there you will learn about in this chapter. Okay, so let us start the chapter. First of all we'll see the circulatory system. Okay, the circulatory system in human being, digested food, water and oxygen are transported to all parts of body. Food which is we are eating, okay, we eat the foods that is digested after inhale in our body. It is digestion, it is complete the process of digestion in our stomach, and then with it we are having some water and we are breathing, we are taking oxygen inside our body through our nasal cavity. Okay, so that all things, digested food, water, oxygen, that are transported to all parts of the body. How it is transported? Now you are thinking, okay, like in our till our finger, eyes and in our feet, how it is transported, that all things. So we'll learn about these things. Circulatory system, yes. So in this system, and then waste products are also transported from all parts of the body to be removed from the body. Okay, so waste product also, which when food is digested, okay, and when food is digested, whatever the waste product separated from that food, how it is transported and removed from the body, you will learn about this also. So this all things is called in transportation, because they are traveling one place to another place, they are moving one part of the body to another part of the body. Okay, so the transport of substance in body is done by the circulatory system. Okay, in this term transportation, or this work transportation, who will do this? One system is doing this transportation work, that is called circulatory system. Understand, it consists of heart, blood vessels and blood. Okay, understand. Now we learn about how it will happen, how heart and whole body, blood vessel and blood will do these things. Okay, now if you can see that this is the structure of heart, we will learn later on, we will learn about it. And this is the this is our body structure with blood vessels. Okay, all blood vessel you can see in the body, and this is our heart. Understand? So now we'll go in next slide. This is about the blood. What is, we learn about the blood. uh, Many of the time you can see when you got hurt, okay, you get injured somewhere in your body parts, then you can see that blood is coming out from your body part, that is red in color. Okay, but when we study it deeply in science, then you can see the parts of the blood. There are many parts in the blood. So blood transports substance in body. Main function of blood is transports the substance in the body. How? It has a fluid part called plasma and cells like red blood cells RBC, white blood cells WBC and platelets. Okay, so this is already, blood is in liquid form and there are cells and liquid. Okay, we have learned about now that plasma, WBCs and RBCs and platelets. Okay, four things are there in blood. So first of all, red blood cells. What are that? Red blood cells contains pigment called hemoglobin. Okay, red blood cells contain a pigment that is red in color, that is called hemoglobin, which transport oxygen. Oxygen which you respire in your body, okay, inhale or respire in your body, that transport by this RBCs, okay, red blood cells. Okay, if red BCs are not there in your blood, then oxygen will not transport in your body. Understand? So what is the work of red BCs? First of all, that is contain one red color pigment that is called hemoglobin, and it is work transport to oxygen in whole body part of our body. Now second one, the white blood cells. What is the main function of this blood cells? That is fight against germs and protect us from disease. Understand? ये हम हमारे बॉडी में जो भी इन्फेक्शन आ जाता है, किसी भी बीमारी के जर्म्स आ जाते हैं, दैट इज़ अ गुड फाइटर. ओके, दिस इज द आर्मी ऑफ आर बॉडी. अंडरस्टैंड? WBCs are the army of our bodies because they fight against the germs and protect us from disease. हमें बीमारियों से बचाते हैं. Now next one is platelets. If you see that the vein, blood vessels, the blood is coming, and in the blood you can see that red blood cells, okay, and see, these are red blood cells, these are white blood cells, and that liquid is plasma. Okay, and you can see now platelets help in clotting the blood. Okay, understand? Platelets, what is the platelets work? That is clot the blood. When you got hurt or you injured, so blood is coming out from your body, but after some time it will stop to coming out. Okay, it will make clotting on your body part, on your skin, so blood is coming out. That helps by the help of platelets. Okay, so platelets is also needed. These are the platelets, if you see, and the plasma is in liquid form. Understand? So these are the part of blood. Okay, now we will study about the blood vessels. What are the blood vessels and what are the works of these vessels? Okay, so first of all, there are three type of blood vessels. They are arteries, veins, and capillaries. Okay, how many types of blood vessels? Three types: arteries, veins, and capillaries. Okay, so arteries. What is the arteries? Carries oxygen rich blood from heart to all parts of the body. Blood which is oxygen rich. Okay, when you inhale the oxygen, it mix with the blood by the arteries, so it will taken by the arteries to from the heart to all body, all the parts of your body. जितने भी आपके बॉडी पार्ट्स हैं उन सब में हार्ट से इन आर्टरीज के थ्रू ले जाया जाता है. कौन ले जाता है? दैट इज आर्टरीज. यू हैव टू लर्न द नेम्स बेटा. ओके, so and they have thick walls. That arteries have thick walls. And second one is a veins. What is the work of veins? Now veins is doing the opposite work. What is it is doing? Carry carbon dioxide rich blood from all parts of the body to heart. अब वेंस क्या करती है? जितना भी कार्बन डाई हमारी सेल्स जो हैं ब्लड, हमारे बॉडी पार्ट्स ऑक्सीजन को यूज़ कर लेते हैं, है ना. दे गेट एनर्जी फ्रॉम ऑक्सीजन रिच ब्लड. ओके, आफ्टर यूजिंग दिस, so oxygen convert into carbon dioxide, then you exhale the carbon dioxide ना, understand? आप बाहर निकालते हो कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड, लेकिन जब आप अंदर लेते हो तो that is oxygen. So when all body parts use that blood that is oxygen rich, then the works of vein will start. Okay, then veins will do carbon dioxide rich blood from all parts of body. बॉडी के सारे पार्ट से लेकर उसको वापस कहाँ ले जाता है, हार्ट के अंदर पहुँचा देता है. अंडरस्टैंड? सो दे हैव थिन वॉल्स, बट दिस वेन आर हैविंग थिन वॉल्स, पतली वॉल्स होती है, बल्कि आर्टरीज की वॉल्स कैसी थी, थिक वॉल्स थी. आर्टरीज क्या कर रहे थे, ऑक्सीजन रिच ब्लड दे आर कैरी फ्रॉम हार्ट टू ऑल बॉडी पार्ट्स, बट वेन्स आर डूइंग कैरी कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड रिच ब्लड फ्रॉम ऑल पार्ट्स ऑफ द बॉडी टू हार्ट. I think you understand now. And veins are having thin walls. Okay, now capillaries. What are the capillaries? Capillaries are very thin blood vessels which join arteries and veins. ये बहुत ही पतली पतली सी blood vessels होती हैं जो arteries और veins को आपस में join करके रखती है, जोड़े रखती हैं. Okay, so now there is one more topic in your book, that pulse or pulse rate. We will study here only this one also. Blood flows through arteries at high pressure. Okay, जब ब्लड आर्टरीज के थ्रू बहता है तो वो हाई प्रेशर से बहता है. ब्लड हार्ट से निकलता है और आर्टरीज से बहुत ही तेज प्रेशर के साथ बहता है, कॉजिंग थ्रोबिंग मूवमेंट कॉल्ड पल्स. ओके, सो वो जो थ्रोबिंग मोमेंट होता है उसी को हम पल्स कहते हैं. जो हमारी पल्स रेट वी आर मेजर फ्रॉम हियर. ओके, तो दैट आर कॉल्ड पल्स. वाई दिस पल्स रेट इज, क्यों हम यहीं से चेक करते हैं, बिकॉज दीज आर द आर्टरीज. ओके, एंड दीज आर द ब्लड इज कमिंग फ्रॉम द हार्ट डायरेक्ट to it, and it from this left hand, and this is in very pressure. Understand? So the number of pulse beat per minute is called pulse rate. हर मिनट में जो हम पल्स की बीट को जो ऐसे टक टिक करके होती है, तो दैट पल्स बीट इन number of pulse beat in a per minute, that is called pulse rate. That is your pulse rate. Okay, एक मिनट में जितनी बार भी ये बीट यहाँ से निकलेगी, that is क्या है, pulse rate. Understand? So the normal pulse rate in between is between 72 and 80 beats per minute. जो आपकी normal pulse rate होती है वो 72 से 80 के बीच होती है. Understand? So I think, not think, but I hope you all are understand these video, these topics, circulatory system, blood and blood vessels. Okay, in my next video I will teach you the next topic like heart and its function and excretion in animals, excretion in plants. Okay, we'll study about it. So till then you have to learn the chapter and try to understand the chapter. If you are having any query, you can write me. Okay, personally you can write me the question, I will explain it. Thank you very much. God bless you everyone. Bye.